He was a stray on a dusty road, no collar, no name, no place called home. But he saw the monks and he chose to stay, walk beside them every single day. Through the heat and the rain, through sickness and pain, he never turned back, never broke the chain. From India's streets to America's miles, a quiet companion with a gentle smile. Aloka, peace, dog, walking on through the noise and the chaos. You carry on with every step. You remind us all that love is the answer to the call. Aloka, peace, dog, leading the way in a world that's divided. You show us the way, one pull at a time, one breath, one beat. You're the heart of the journey, the soul of the street. He wears his colors red and white, a little fashion icon in the morning light. But it's not the outfits that make him shine, it's the loyalty, the love, the peace he defines. He watches over them, alert and true, a guardian spirit in all they do. From Texas highways to Georgia towns, he walks with purpose, never backs down. I look a peace dog, walking on through the noise and the chaos. You carry on with every step. You remind us all that love is the answer to the call. I look a peace dog, leading the way in a world that's divided. You show us the way, one pull at a time, one breath, one beat. You're the heart of the journey, the soul of the street. He didn't need a reason, didn't need a sign, just followed his heart down the line. And now the world is watching, inspired by his grace. A street dog teaches the human race. I look a peace dog, walking on through the noise and the chaos. You carry on with every step. You remind us all that love is the answer to the call. I look a peace dog, leading the way in a world that's divided. Cross the way, one paw at a time, one breath, one beat. You're the heart of the journey, the soul of the So walk on, Aloka, walk on strong. You've been walking for peace all along. From the streets of India to the capital's door, you're the peace we've been searching for.
Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again. Bye for now.